Okay, so how would you like 100,000 plus visitors to your site? Do you have a business? Do you have a product? Do you have a service? Would you like a business? Stay with me for the next couple of minutes. I've got something exciting. You know something? I always have something exciting to say, and I've got something exciting for you in this video. Stay with me for the next couple of minutes, okay? Okay, all right. If you would, direct your attention here for me. It says, let us show you how to drive 100,000 plus visitors to your site, okay? We specialize in meeting the needs of hard-working affiliate marketers. Now check this out. Targeted traffic campaigns with real traffic, no bots, no fakes, free and low-cost paid advertising options with verifiable stats, certified inbox delivery. Be confident your marketing messages are being delivered. Monthly traffic injections, powerful email blast services, proven marketing system developed over 20 plus years by two of the industry's top marketers, comprehensive training and 24-hour support services devoted 100% to helping you make money online. And guess what? You can take the free tour, all right, and get in and check this out. And so I'm going to leave a link in the description area of this video to this very page that you're looking at now, and you can take the free tour. You've got to see this, man. If you're marketing online, you want real traffic, you want to get rid of the fakes and the bots and all of that kind of stuff, and you want real traffic, no and low cost. Okay, no cost, low cost. All right, now before I go, I've got to share this with you. Okay, stay with me. I won't be long. Okay, guys, I want you to look at this real quick. The perfect side hustle biz and the Make Money Online and Personal Growth newsletter. I'm going to say a couple words, okay? One is success motivation, inspiration, transformation, mindset development, encouragement, empowerment, personal power. Folks, I'm inviting you to join my Make Money Online Personal Growth newsletter. Okay, there's no cost to get signed up, and you can unsubscribe at any time. But you know, I really invite you to take a look at what I have to offer in with my newsletter. Okay, learn about my perfect side hustle opportunity, which is low cost and potentially very, very profitable. Okay, also learn about my online store, which currently contains over 350 unique products, okay, with various products like personal care items, hair care, pet products, electronics, and gadgets, and dietary supplements, etc. Just a lot of great stuff, okay, at affordable, reasonable prices, okay? And there's a business opportunity with that as well, okay? So find out how you can benefit from the information in my newsletter. And there's a lot, concerning lead generation, advertising, marketing tools, etc., etc., etc. It's filled up with great stuff, okay? So, but there you have it. And I'm going to have a separate link that if you want to check out the newsletter, you can do that, okay? And again, you can unsubscribe at any time. I don't know why you would want to, because it's going to be some powerful information. It'll help me stay in contact with you, that type of thing. And we're always looking at ways and better ways for people to market online, to make money, etc. Okay, but there you have it, guys. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed an amazing day today, okay? In closing, you be blessed today. Did I say that? I think I did. But if I didn't, I'm saying it now. You be blessed today, okay? And take the free tour, all right? I'm Terry Brown. Bye-bye now.